Greetings, this is an introduction. It's Sunday evening. In this video I take the 4S battery that I made the other day and turn it into a 6S battery just by using some additional cells, and then I ram the battery pack with the wiper motor at a higher voltage. The battery started out on 25 and has ended up on 18.98, and it used 105 watt hours. The motor did get hot, so in the video I cheat by using this 240 volt fan. This is not a how-to video, it's just a quick run through, and it's mainly about how much power the wiper motor used and how long it ran for. I've just received 4 of these kits from Amazon, which cost £12 for 4, and they'll enable me to run those high-power 12-volt fans using an automatic temperature circuit. And they're amazing value for money, so look out for the next video. Will hopefully contain that. Right, let's get some of these. 3 here. That'll do. They're already done. We need to just connect these 2 sets of wires here. Very simple. One thing I'm going to do, these connections aren't soldered together, and I've had it where one of them has fallen out, which will be putting strain on the batteries left behind. So what I'm going to do is just take all these off and solder up all of those connections. I actually quite like the wood to do it on. Perfect, that one. Yeah, the wood doesn't bounce back the heat like metal does. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use one of these for the joins, and then we can put the balance lead in the other side. What would Mario do? Hey, come back on. He's recovered it like a boss. Right, they're the positive and negative wires of the pack, those 2. And these are the balance leads, which I need, which just plugs in here. We don't even have to stress out about it. Now, let's get the charger. Charger, nearly there. Oh, that was a bit of a palaver. Sorry if I didn't make a very good job of recording it, but it worked out pretty well in the end. We got the balance board there, and zero consideration for wiring, but it's not going to come apart, and we'll be able to test the starter motor with it using we'll be able to test the wiper motor using this battery pack. Sweet, I'm going to leave that on charge. That'll take all night, I should think. It's going to be a real slow process. Sweet. Greetings, it's now Sunday morning. As you can see, this battery pack, the 6S, has been on for a hella long time, 768 minutes. And that's what the balancer thing is saying. Which is pretty cool. So soon it will be finished. Cheers. So good news, the battery is finished balancing, so it should be pretty much full. I'm going to connect the meter, etc. up to it, and we're going to run the wiper motor a bit at a higher voltage. Everything's pretty much ready. The battery is connected to the meter. The meter is hardwired in to the 12-volt battery, which keeps the display on all the time. See, there's two wires coming out of the back there, so that's cool. And then that goes to the speed controller, £7.99. She's a sweet looking thing. And then to this. One thing I need to do is I've noticed a very poor connection here, this blue one, so I'm just going to resolder that and put heat shrink around it. Right, let's give it a test. So we can see the meter saying the battery's got 24.81. Right, we'll leave that running for a bit. I'm going to put it on time lapse. So we're 10 minutes in, and you can see the battery's dropped quite a lot already. The motor's definitely starting to get warm. We'll put it back on for another 10 minutes. That's only running at half power. Right, we'll leave that running for a while. Come back and check the temperature in another 10 or 15 minutes. It's definitely getting warm. 14.2 watt hours in 22 minutes. Just coming up to 40 minutes and it's getting really hot. It's basically getting too hot. So let's get that 240 volt fan. Back on we go. Now we've got the temperature under control, I'm just going to turn it up a little bit. We're on 52%. Well, I'm going to leave it on 60% for a bit. We're using just over 2 amps. Okay. Yeah, that fan's keeping it very cool, so we're just going to let it run and run. This is at the 105-minute mark. Sweet, 64.8 watt hours, so I'll leave that, we'll come back. I'm making a note of the battery voltage and stuff. We don't want to drop the battery below 18 because that's 6S, so maybe we'll run the battery till it goes to 18 and that'll be a good test of the battery. We've been running 2.5 hours now and the battery's on 19.17, so as we've been running it for this long, I'm just going to wait until the battery is at 18 and then we'll see how long it lasted. I've taken a note of the approximate numbers. We know how many watt hours it's used, which is the important thing there, because it says on the meter. Sweet. Just out of interest, I'm going to turn the power from 60% to 25%. So that's interesting to see, the battery's gone back up. So we'll keep running this and see if we get a couple more hours out of the battery. Right, I've just come out here and the battery's really low, so we're going to stop that. What I'll do, I'll charge the battery up in the next video. So that's ran for 200 minutes. And it's used 101.7 watt hours. And we'll put the battery voltage as 18.6. Sweet. Right, I'll see you in the next video.